Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing good. So today we will discuss about how to register on SWAYAM, okay, and how to enroll on the SWAYAM portal. Okay, so here you are getting the certificates from IITs and from UGC, AICT. Okay, different types of certificates you will get if you will enroll for the particular course or what your department will give you. So you will get that particular certificate as well after completing the course. Okay, first of all we will come to know how to register on the SWAYAM portal. Okay, so here what you have to do, you have to go through the website swayam.gov.in. when you will go through this website and you will see this type of portal. Okay, this type of login you will see. Here is sign in and register. You can click on sign in and register. And for the if you are doing this on smartphone, so for smartphone you have to log in, you have to go through directly swayam.gov.in and then put it on desktop site. Okay, desktop mode. If you have made a username and password, then you have directly log in. But if you have not yet made your username and password, then go to sign up now. Okay, so when you will go to sign up now, first of all you can use your username. You can make your username as per your choice. Then new password, confirm new password. You have to create the password with one capital letter and small letters and special letter, for example @ hash and numbers. Okay, same for this confirm new password. Then you can write your email ID. Okay, so when you will write email, then you click here send verification code. A verification code will come on your email. So in your directly you can go to the email and write that verification code here, and then you can there will be one verify code. So click on verify code. After that you have to create. Okay, actually I am not doing this because I have already made one username, so I will use that username and I will show you the process further. Okay, so here you will use create. Maybe you will get the one message here, this username is already existed. Okay, so what you have to do, you will use the number. For example, I will use one username like Nikita, Nikita. If a message will come like this username is already existed, so what you have to do, you can use the number also 23 or 234 like this. Okay, then you will click here create and your username will be created. After that you have to go login page again. I have created one username and password. I will use that username and password here. Okay, GHANSHYAM NAGAR Gansham Nagar 2005, and password I have already used it, so I will put the password here RAM. Okay, then I will sign in. Same you will do sign in. So after sign in, your portal will open in the SWAYAM. Okay, now you have to use here the course which is provided by your department, which course you have to log in. Okay, so like we have given to students this course, teaching and learning in general programs. So I will paste this here, or I will type this here. The course will come here. Like this course is run by Professor N.J. Rao. Okay. I hope till here you got it. How to create one account and how to log in. Okay. Now you have to go to directly the program. Here is the program teaching and learning in general programs. Directly you can go to join. So when you will go to join, you have to fill few details here like name, I will use the student's name here. Ghanshyam, Ghanshym, Ghanshyam, NAGA or Ghanshyam Nagar. Mobile number 830 296 296 8272. Okay, 83029682272. So this is the mobile number of the candidate, and age group is you can use your age group like 13 to 20. Then gender, male, female, what else? The student is male, so I will use here male. Country will come here India at the top, so you will use your country name India. Pin code you can use of your area. What is your pin code? 325223. Okay, this is the student's pin code. So after entering the pin code, you will see here your district name will come and city or district name will come here, like Rajasthan, Bara. Okay, now next is profession. If you are faculty, you can use a faculty. If you are employed, you can use employed. If you are student, you can use student. Okay. So highest, what is your highest qualification? So accordingly, for example, if you have done bachelor's degree, you can use bachelor's, 4-year bachelor's, 5-year bachelor's degree, master's degree, doctoral degree. Okay. So for example, student is studying in second year this time. So there will be no any like a first year, second year. Here we will use directly pre-university like 12th. Okay. And year of graduation, this student will complete the graduation in 2027. So I will use 2027. And ABC ID. If you have ABC ID, you can use here. I have ABC ID. I do not have ABC ID. So अगर आपके पास ABC ID है तब आप use कर सकते हैं. If you do not have, so right, do not need ABC ID. Okay. Then as part of SWAYAM local chapter, if your university college is related with local chapter, then you can use yes. If it is not, then use no. Okay. So our university is related with SWAYAM local chapter. We have SWAYAM local chapter here, so that is why I used it here yes. Okay. So then local chapter state. What is the state of the local chapter? You can use it here. Like here is Rajasthan. After Rajasthan, here will be college name. So automatically there will be so many colleges in Rajasthan and universities. So I will write the particular university, Career Point University, Kota, Rajasthan. So here the university name will come automatically when you will type here. Either you have to search. Okay. So when you will type, just like I type it here, the university name, it came Career Point University, Kota, Rajasthan 2606. Okay, it is the number. After that, university name directly it came by its own Career Point when you are selecting here the college name. After that, you have to type here the like enrollment, school roll number or college roll number, what else it is. So tell me your roll number, this enrollment number.
24482.
K24482. Okay, this is student's KID in Career Point University. So degree, what is the degree name? So you can choose here like B.Tech, B, M.E., M.Tech, M.S., PhD, medical, dental, arts and humanities, commerce and management, science, others, not applicable. If others, like our student is from BSc, B.Ed, so we can use others also, we can use science also, others we can use. After that there will be department, which department is like B.Lib, B.Ed, B.L.A.D, B.C.A, Fine Arts, Foreign Language, LLB, multimedia and communication. There are so many departments. Okay. If we will use here science, we will try on the science. So on the science, here will be BSc, BBA, so many courses are there. So you will choose according to your course name, or we can say degree name. I will use here not applicable. One more option, not applicable. Both were be not applicable. I will use here others. So here this course is for teaching and learning is for B.Ed, so I will choose it here, B.Ed. Okay, or we can say BSc B.Ed, we can use others, right? So after that, here is study year, we like first year, second year. Our student is studying this time in second year, so I will use here second year, right? Then there will be the option I agree to SWAYAM terms of service. I will click here, tick here, and I agree to follow the honor code. So after that I will save this. We have updated our form, please ensure all required fields. So first of all I will check again, after that I will save it. Now I will save it. अब सेव हो गया है, देखते हैं आगे क्या. अब यहाँ पे आगे जो कोर्स आपने किया है, the course which you have selected, what you have to do next you have to go through week 1. So in week 1 you can start now learning from the SWAYAM. This is U1 unit 1 overview of teaching and learning in general programs. Okay, so you will directly go through this video, and this is the video. You can run directly from your smartphone as well. You can directly run from your PC, right? So after that you have to complete all these videos, like overview of TLG, education and teaching, and you have to go through the directly transcript. You will get the notes here in many languages, like English language. If you are from English background, you will get the transcript of this video in English. If you want to see the transcript in Hindi, you will get in Hindi also, right? This is the transcript in Hindi. Means the notes are available in Hindi and English as well. Okay, so after getting these notes and auto scroll will off. Okay, so you will get the notes in Tamil also. If you are from Tamil, so you will get the notes in Tamil also. You will get in English. Okay, 3 languages are there, right? So after that you have to complete the week 1 all the quiz. Then there will be a quiz, weekly feedback form. So you have to fill the weekly feedback form. You have to go through the quiz, weekly quiz, week 1 quiz. So you have to attempt this quiz, like these are the questions which you have to attempt for week 1. After that submit answers, you will get the score also by attempting these quizzes. Okay, so I hope you got it. Now the question is there any fee for this? There is no fee. Okay, enrollment, there is no enrollment fee. But if you want to get the degree if you want to get the certificate from the SWAYAM, so you have to click on the certificate exam. Okay, you have to give one exam. There are multiple exam cities, so where you can give your exam. Okay, so like there is a fee of 750 for boys and 500 for girls. Okay, 500 and 750. So you will get the degree. We can say in your degree you can show your SWAYAM course. Okay, the particular university will show these students have done this SWAYAM course, or you can show in your resume when you will use the resume, some companies or some government exam, you will show I have done this SWAYAM course from IIT or IISc. Okay, if you have the one course from SWAYAM, and you will get the course certificate from IITians. Okay, so that is a big achievement. If you have the certificate from IIT, that means you are worthy. Okay, आपका एक वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगा. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगा जहाँ पे भी आप जाओगे. ओके, सो इसलिए कि आप एनरोलमेंट पहले कर दो. द एनरोलमेंट विल एंड ऑन 29 जुलाई. ओके, 29 जुलाई 2024. सो आफ्टर 29 जुलाई आप इसके लिए नहीं कर पाओगे. ठीक है, अप्लाई. सो ये सबों के लिए करना है, जितने भी कैंडिडेट्स है सबों को करना है ये. ठीक है, सो और ये इसमें क्या करना है कि ऐसे ही लॉगिन आप कर दोगे, एनरोल कर दोगे अपने आप को और स्टार्ट करना है पढ़ना, ठीक है। सो ये आप कहीं पे भी जा सकते पढ़ोगे, इधर आप घर में पढ़ोगे, इधर आप कॉलेज में आके पढ़ोगे, इधर आप कहीं रास्ते में गाड़ी में होंगे तो वहां पे आप पढ़ोगे, ठीक है। सो anywhere anytime you can do this course, okay. So but there is one more thing that according to NEP 2020 you have to enroll 40% courses online. So there is only one platform, that is SWAYAM, where you will enroll yourself, right? So I hope you everyone got how to enroll and how to study from the SWAYAM, okay, how to watch the videos, how to see the content, okay. You can see the content. If someone is not comfortable in English videos, he can watch the video, after that he can see the transcript, he can see the notes in Hindi also, like this is in Hindi, okay. So you can go through here and made your own notes, okay. You read this, and then again for every video, if you are not getting in English, you can check the transcript in Hindi as well, right? So I hope everyone got it. So if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box, okay. So thank you everyone, thank you.